was getting low on cutting fluid on this spray can. As you can see, I have attached it with this valve, car tire valve, and I screw out this in the middle. I don't know what it calls in English. In Swedish it's called kägla. And then I'm using this to fill it up. And for cutting fluid I'm using Tapmatic. And this is especially made for aluminium. But the level is getting low in this container. So eventually I will get out of Tapmatic. I don't know if you can buy this in Sweden. In USA you can, of course, but I haven't checked if you can buy it here in Sweden. Anyway, let's go on with the milling. Oh, and I fill this with 5 bar air pressure, and it's working great. Well, that went smooth, I think. No incidents. I do the other slits off camera, and if anything unusual happens, I'll let you know. As you can see, everything went smooth and all right. And I don't think I'm gonna mill a slot here in the center. Anyway, not just now. And let's move on. Next thing, drill 2 holes. I have done that in the base plate, so I'm not gonna show this on camera, unless something unusual should happen. Next thing to do will be to make 4 of these sprints that is going through these holes to lock the arms in place, and 2 little longer sprints that will suit this top plate, and those sprints are going right through here. Okay, let's start work again. Okay, here we have one of these 4 pins that's going in here, and this little C-clip will go on the groove to lock it. I got a few more of these to do, but I do that off camera. Here are the pins, and there's one missing, isn't it? Well, actually not. I have mounted for testing one in the base plate, and with the C-clip mounted too. Next thing to do will be these things that sits between these arms, and I have made a simple drawing of one. It looks like this, and one will be, as you can see, threaded with M4 thread, and the other one will have no thread on it. Yeah. Okay. Oops. And here is the final result. I will now drill and thread this part with the M4 thread. Okay, it's threaded, M4, and the other one, which I have made earlier, I will drill a hole in this. Which size I will think about a while. I'll be back. On the end of these 8 arms there must be some sprockets, and I am intended to use this year I have 4 of them, and first of all I will cut them in half, so they will be about 2 millimeter thick, and then I will mill away 2 millimeters of these arms and solder the 2 millimeter thick gear onto the arms, and do some more machining to get this to work. I have made a small arbor for the gear, and then I will mount this arbor in the shock, in this round table, combinated round table and dividing head, and cut the gear in half with this slitting saw that is 0.4 millimeters thick. So here are the 8 gears. That was 4 gears from the start. Next thing to do will be to mill away a piece here on the gear, about 2.5 millimeters. I will mill away here. Okay, I got some more gears to do the same on. I do that off camera. These gears come from a couple of cordless drills that I have trashed, and they look like this, unmodified. I got this one left over. Next thing to do will be to mill down about 2 millimeters here, so the gear and this will be at the same thickness, totally 3 millimeters thick. So it should look something like this. My plan was to soft solder the gear, but I've tried it and it can't be done because I think these gears are made of some sort of cast iron, and it can't be soft soldered. It could be silver soldered though, but I think I will try to glue them on and see if that works. Like so. And I think that will do, and we'll see when the glue is hardened.